Hello everyone, and this is sort of making me feel guilty because I am reviewing a Japanese figure, and this is on Masked Rider Den-O sword form. And so it says that Den-O sword form, the side, SIC Kiwami Tamashi, something like that, and it says down here. In the back it says Ore Sanjo, for his Ore Sanjo, and then his little pose holding the sword. The other SICs, regular, I don't know. I honestly don't know. And then there's the Tamashi Web. Feel free to click that. There. Okay. And lots of other stuff. Not what you need to call. So this was given to me by my auntie for my birthday. And so there. And let's just get this guy out of the package. Okay, just to get this clear, this was from CS Toys, this was from my auntie, so I got two. By accident. So I decided to get the one unboxed because I got that one sealed, mint sealed. So here's the figure. But first, let's just go over accessories. As opposed to the Dengash, failed. Supposed to the Dengasher pieces on the sides without the, Dengasher holder thing without the pieces. We have, stop falling! Now you're gonna make me cry. But you got the Dengasher holder with all the Dengasher pieces. Yay! And it's fully painted. Unlike, I forgot what the, Shochaku Henshin version. And opposed to that, we have the sword form. Sword. Yeah. So you got those numbers. Yeah. Oh yeah. And so, yeah. Fully painted, but the other side is not that much paint. I swear my camera's horrible. Okay, like that. Focus. There. Okay. And so we go on to the hands. We have the two splayed open hands. One for the Ore Sanjo, because he had to splay his hands. And here is the, come on. Holding things hands. So you can, slash card holding hand. And here's the thumbs up, or pointing to me. I have arrived. Pointing to me. Or you can do like a little Kuga pose with this. And as opposed to the holding thing hands, this, which is significant, something I cannot say words. I'm very sorry. Come on, focus. Dang it, my camera can't focus this well. Focus. Dang it, so significant. Bless you. Excuse me. There. Oh, come on. There, you can see the Den-O symbol, and this is the, transformation card, and final indent thingy. I don't know how you do it. But, let's get on to the actual figure. 1, 2, 3. Excuse me. And, so let's get on to the actual figure. Detail-wise, as I was saying on the sword, SIC is actually a different designs on the other riders, and I think it looks best with the Hibiki ones. But as you can see, there's a lot more detail that's not supposed to be in here. Well, some. This looks more like a devil if you think about it. Same thing here as the actual armor. Supposed to be flat, just like regular flat. They just added all these symbols, and all of these little lines and stuff will be shown on a different figure. So I will be reviewing that after this. And so there's more detail on these. And you see this is more like an armor effect for Kintaro's side. Yeah. And you can see the little panels and stuff here. These are not supposed to be in the show, but they actually, well, they added it in as opposed to the crotch piece. And, sniffle. And here is the belt. And it's, as you can see, it's sword form because it's red. Red gem thingy. Then you can see the little tiny dots. The red, blue, purple, yellow. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. Articulation, his head has not much movement because of this little, like, molding right here, because of the neck. So he just likes to look down. The shoulder pads move up, so, you know, it's not it doesn't really work. It works, kind of, when you have to do this, but if you can't really have enough there's not much articulation to do anything with, like, that much of height for the shoulder pads. And something fell off. The arms are full range because of the shoulder pads. Bicep swivel. This one seems to be a little tight. Single joint on the elbow. I cannot even show you guys. And swivels at the elbow. So yeah, like that. Like that. Like that. Oh yeah, even the detail here. I forgot about that in detailing. Come on. Focus. Just stay. Yeah, there's that detail. And so yeah, ball jointed hand, wristy. Yes, wristy. Same thing on the other side. There's an ab crunch. Yeah, ab crunch. If you count this as articulation, the side move, so you can like pose it on like different things, like that. I don't know. Legs. Let me remove these panel things so you can see the full range on the legs. Full range of motion, well, as much as SIC can give you. Yeah. Little thigh swivel right here. Double jointed knees right there. Oh wow, it's like capped. Whee. Ankle goes back, forth, and then side to side. Pretty good range of articulation. I'll be back. Sorry. And so that's articulation. What you can do, just take off these pieces. Because that's what it originally came in. Because, yeah, stuff like that. And so you have these side pieces right here with the molded dengasher pieces if you don't want it to hold a dengasher. Which I don't know why. And so he'll look like this. You can move it. And you can just take these off, put back the default, or whatever you like to call them, the one without the dengasher pieces. Why do I keep on doing this? Doing that. Take off his hand. As you can see, it's just a simple ball joint connected in. Come on, really? Here. If you want, come on. Yeah. I'm so weak, like a little preschooler. You can either have him do this as, like, come on, man. Stick it in. That's what she said. Come on. Because I have not messed around with this figure in a while, so forgot how most of the features work. And it should do this. Yeah, this can make him do a change or something like that. Oh, come on. Why won't he stand up? Make him do that. Or you can just so many problems with this review. Take that off. I'm not even gonna fix that. Or you can take that off and put in the dengasher sword thing. Watch out. Or if you don't like that, you just take off the sword, pluck off the hand, and be careful with this because it's tiny amount of plastic. Put this in thumbs up hand, and where are the packaging? Oh, okay. And take off the fist, and put, come on, and put this hand in. You can do, little girl powerness. I'm not that strong. I'm never that strong. You can do something like this, or, oh, I forgot. I kind of forgot. I used to watch Den-O, and I forgot how we did it. So I have to look at the packaging. So just go like this. You can do the eye part. I have. And then you're going to take this off, and you can put the classical Sanjo. Sanjo! What is Sanjo? Come on! That. Ah, I hate messing with this figure so much. Something like that. It's probably the other way, like this. Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty much it. And my final thoughts. If you are a Kamen Rider Den-O fan, pick it up. Kamen Rider fan, pick it up. And just a, well, casual collector who likes to collect Japanese things, like me, you could pick it up if you wanted just one out of the SIC line, because this guy is actually pretty good, and my camera's out of focus. Come on. Focus. 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 Dang it. Yeah, it's okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna be back with another review on something. Okay, bye.